Welcome back to a new video. Today we learn how to create account for ServiceNow. You need to open any browser and search VUE/ServiceNow. Go to this first website, click on this, then continue to login. Click on this. After that, ServiceNow page will be open. Then go to sign in button here. Click on this. Yeah, page will be loaded. If you want to create new account, then click on this new user. Enter your email address here. I'm entering. Then enter your first name, last name, and country as per your government ID. Remember this thing. Then select your state, Maharashtra. Then enter password. Enter your password here. Confirm your password. Then I am not robot. Click on this. Solve this puzzle. Then verify. Click on this tick box. Then sign up button. Save. A service ID has been created for with Softtech Cloud. This application required to verify. You need to open your email now. Go to your email. Open your email. Please note the email be valid one day. Okay. It's only valid for one day. Remember this. Open your email ID. Go to email. See here, you are receiving this mail, so we can confirm this email. Click on this verify button. Thank you. Wait. See. Enter your ID password here and then click on sign in button. There are some steps. I'm skip. Here your account process is run. If you want to learn how to schedule exam for ServiceNow, you can subscribe our channel. We can put definitely next video on this. Thank you for watching this video.